Hi there, welcome back to Marky RC. Just a quick video on Tamiya's Mfcu multi-function control unit. Operates loads of lights, vibration, engine sounds, absolutely loads of features. Going to do an unboxing of the Mfcu. This is what they sound like. This is the Mfcu1 for the American trucks. So you get proper engine sound. Gear change. Also get indicators. Horn. And then, because this is a 10-channel control, I can also do, if it works, hazard lights. Which is pretty good. We get the tick-tick of the lights. Then we get our top lights, main lights and bottom lights, which you can turn off independent. Everything fits inside the sleeper cab, but I mean, if you want to make your truck sound super realistic, I just think it adds that little bit of extra realism. So what do you actually get inside the kit? Let's just move that to one side. And the control. Sound effect, light effect, 21 operations, 3 different modes, and the vibration, if it'll come out of the box. The main thing when you're putting one of these systems in is the decals that go on the ends of all the LED wires. Really do take your time with them, because there's nothing worse than installing everything and then you have to take half the truck apart. You get a gigantic instruction manual to all the different variants of different ways of wiring everything up, which is quite cool. So you get the speaker box, hold the speaker in place. You get quite a nice speaker in this. So a nice big speaker box, which is going to be a lot easier fitting it inside the Euro style cabs than it is the American variants. You get a few chrome parts as well, mainly steps and for the fifth wheel. So we've got our chrome steps, which on the Euro truck, I'm not sure if you're going to need them. Then you get the fifth wheel attachment and all the light brackets and one of those super little cool, I don't know what you call it, like a little spanner, holds the tiny little nuts on. It just makes it super easy to get all your parts in and your little nuts done up. Then we've actually got the fifth wheel attachment. Not sure if it's the same as in the kit. They do vary from kit to kit. And a little box for the vibration. And then you get different fuel tanks. Not sure if these are going to be needed on the Euro truck or not, because I think the layout is a little bit different. But they give you the different fuel tanks, so you get different options of where you mount the main switch gear, which is pretty cool if you want to hide everything up, and all the little brackets to hold the lights on. You get Tamiya's big control unit. Everything's plug and play, no soldering needed. Super easy to put together as long as you follow the instructions and just take your time when it, like I say, when it comes to putting these decals on, because it just that extra half an hour spent putting those on will save you an absolute headache if you start plugging things in the wrong place. What I do like about the multi-function unit is each sort of plug is different, so you can, when it comes to plugging like the vibration unit in, which is that little thing there, which is basically a cam that spins off centre that makes the truck wiggle, which just gives it a little bit more realism. Then you get a tiny little, if I can get it out of the pack, tiny little motor to spin that cam. It's almost like 540 size in width, but super skinny. That powers the vibration unit. And then you get a massive bag of LED lights, indicators, main lights, brake lights, and so on. And like I say, just make sure you follow those instructions when it comes to putting the decals on. Get a big few bags of hardware. What's that in there? Some sponge, 3M tape, and like the mesh that goes behind the grill. If you've got a, oh no, sorry, the mesh that goes over the speaker box. Want to hide the speaker up. Then you get the little control box that normally goes in the front step, turn on and off, and different functions. You get a decal that goes over that to tell you what everything is and what everything does. Another big bag of screws. These little aluminium light plates to screw everything together, quite nice. And then we get Tamiya's little, I don't know what is that, 70, maybe 70mm speaker, and they do sound super cool, as you heard in the big American truck. Plus some grease, tiny little flat-headed screwdriver, and a tiny little Phillips in the little kit. So that is what you get in a multi-function control unit, and they do take these trucks to the next level when it comes to sound and lights. You can also plug in, they do a trailer lights, they do the trailer legs, and sometimes if you get the big sort of brooder trailers and they like the low loader ones, you could all the ramps at the back will work from the control. These fly ski controllers, they're about £55, and you get a 6-channel control, a 6-channel receiver, sorry. That's a 10-channel controller. So easy to set up. There is a fella online, Hobby Concepts. He is like the truck guru. If you need to find out how to program any fly ski stuff, he is the man. Hobby Concepts, epic channel, and he builds, I don't know how many of these trucks he's built. I think I think I asked him once, I think he's up to 50 something odd trucks. But if you need to find out how to program anything, that is the channel. It just makes it super easy for people that aren't sort of tech minded like me. I'm not, I mean, if I try to do that out of the instructions, I'd still be there now if I can watch someone do it. So big shout out to Hobby Concepts. Basically, he is the man that, watching his videos, has got me into these Tamiya trucks and recommended the Fly Ski FSI6X control, which is just packed full of features. So I hope you've enjoyed the little unboxing video. This is going into my Scania 770S 6x4. If you haven't seen any of the videos prior, I built a, actually, let me just take that camera off the stand. I built that Volvo truck there is going to be a drift truck, and that Scania down on the floor is going to be the truck that tows the drift truck. This sound system is going into the Scania, and I just need to get myself a nice brewed low loader trailer. So hope you've enjoyed the video. Loads more to come on this, and I hope to see you next one. And if you could like, subscribe, share and hype, That would be absolutely epic. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later.